85% people they hate their jobs just because of their bosses. They're frustrated. They emotionally, disconnected. They're frustrated, when their unwanted situations are occur within organization by your top management. So people become frustrated. Although they are on the job, but emotionally they are disconnected to their workplace. Mentally mentally they are, physically they are there, but mentally they are disconnected. That's why they don't give love to their jobs. That's why they cannot put their heart into the work. They don't have passion toward their work. The reason is their expectations are exploited. Organizations are not performing according to their expectations. That's why they are discouraged. They are discouraged and they are thinking about to leave the organizations. Now, ultimately, when they are thinking about leaving the organizations, the consequences will be on employees, on employer. Organizations will be, organization will be not perform that better again. He will not get, the organization, the employee will not get another qualified person quick, within a quick time. Although he doing all these things just for the sake of, because there is a huge manpower out there waiting for a job. That's why they are having less focus on their employee work. Now, companies like Google, companies like Apple, companies like Microsoft, why they are succeeded too much? Why they are in a stage of peak position, in a stage of the most number one companies are there? The reason is just because of their manpower. Look, every organization is having manpower, but what is the uniqueness of them? That they become number one companies in the world. The benefit that they are giving to the employees. Like look, the Google. The Google provide on-set haircuts, free meals provided all day, 24/7 medical assistance is giving. Gym is here, swimming pool is here, laundry they're doing, dry cleaning, game room for football, ping pong, and the lot is there. These things are available so that employee feel relaxed and stress free. If you see the Apple, when Apple launched new mobile, first they provide to their employees first. Health benefits given, conference, wherever you go, wherever conference that you want to go, up to your choice, they'll give you all the cost. Not only the fare, the conference fare, the child care, house cleaning service, share option, breakfast, lunch, maternity, paternal leave, sport allowances, plus much more benefit that's giving to their employees, just why the employees become very relaxed. That's why they're putting their heart on their work. That's why they love their job. That's why they're retaining there. That's why they don't want to switch other organization. Look, Microsoft, get and stay healthy. They're working on their employees, on their health. They want their employees to be healthy. Organization plan for employees' future. Like after 5 or after 60 years, 70 years, age, if any employee retired, now organization Microsoft by himself, they're giving the pensions throughout his life insurance given by them. Enjoy the perks like a lots of facilities are given that. Take the time away. Free paid vacations are given. They will take care of your family. Continue your education. How much you study, they will invest on you. Get exclusive discount. Whatever you want to get from the Microsoft, you will have exclusive maximum discount. It means, for example, 70% discount is there for you being an employee of Microsoft. Now the reason they pay attention while giving respect. Employees are paying attention while they're giving respect, value, importance to your employees. Employees were observing, and as well as employer, or they also paying attention while giving respect, value, importance, because what the employee needs. Maximum number of employees of these companies are satisfied and love their job. That's why they are productive. That's why great productive employees are there. Companies in the world. These employees in companies are great, outstanding in the world. That's why these companies are growing very fast, getting a huge profit and making successful businesses. That's why they are successful. Just because of their giving respect, value and importance to your employees. That is a simple rule. Give respect, give them value and give them importance. Pay attention on these, so ultimately employee will give their energy, their whole energy toward you. Now make it clear from here. Employee who work all the day with you, serving half of his life to your organization. Now definitely here that organization will expect something or not. The employee will expect something or not. Money is not the main motivated factor that employee will motivated. Some other factors will increase the motivation of employee. This is the these perks or this free relaxation, stress out. This will lead employees toward successful or productive employee. Look, why companies need industrial psychology? Why company need industrial psychology? The question is, industrial psychology play a major role to maintain the good relation. The first reason why needed. First, to maintain good relationship between companies and employees. Look, employees in the workplace, they are observing every single things because they are directly related. You observing the workplace policies, conducting research, and all the things. They are observing everything. But human resource department do what? They observe the employees' action. They make policies. They conduct research to understand employees' action and toward the companies and many more. Now from here, let me make you understand that why do we need to study? Why do we need industrial psychology? Why companies need industrial psychology? Because they are directly linked with the organization success is directly proportional to employees' performance. That's why industrial psychologists, they research, they understand the behavior, the employees' actions, so that they should aware of any good circumstances, any bad circumstances of it. For example, if organization made a policy and that policy is against employees perform action, now what will happen? Employee will not perform because the policy that bound the employees, that is against, they will not give their heart, they will not give their love to your job. Industrial psychology, they help companies to increase their productivity, develop screening producers for new applicants, develop screening procedure for new applicants. Industrial psychology increase the quality of workplace, counsel unhappy employees. They are doing that. They are increasing the quality. They are just trying to increase the quality of workplace. They are judging that whether this workplace is good for employees or not. They're counseling the unhappy employees and dealing with the unhappy employees and understanding their inner core reality, what they want, what is their desire. They are just trying to understand the matter of employees. And where the problem is, if they see the problem is the policy of the company, they give suggestion to the company to rewrite its policy. Now, every company dreams to grow, perform the best in their field. Employees are the backbone of any company and organization who play a major role to make this happen. The field of every company is to grow and perform the best in the field. But what if? By ignoring employees? No, employees are the backbone of any company. That's why they are playing a major role. So that's why it's very much required to have a great understanding of strong bond between company and employees. Industrial psychologists make this real and happen. Now that's why you need industrial psychology in a company, because these are the people who make a close bound relationship between you and you employee and with the employer, so that increases organization performance. Benefits of industrial psychology. What are the benefits? What are the benefits? Companies are having their focus on business growth or making profit. So it may seem fearless to give attention to psychological matters. Industrial psychology can actually improve your bottom line by resolving issues. Maybe the problem is in productivity, maybe the problem is in growth, maybe the problem is in employee morale. Industrial psychology to increase your productivity, to increase your growth, to resolve your problems, or moral problems as well. Companies can increase their productivity by hiring corporate industrial psychologists. They can keep their eyes on the psychological issues which are creating the breaker and the barriers on the way to create production. Industrial psychology, they are focused on the psychological issues which create barriers or breakers for any production. They can easily connect with the employee and understand their needs. Compared to others, they are involved. When they are coming, just come like an ordinary person inside the organization. They are involving themselves very quickly with employees to understand their core values, core insight, their inside feelings. They empower, inspire employees to give their best to company and increase after the productivity. The strategy of the industrial psychology, the benefit is that they empower your employees to give their best, which increase organization productivity. Psychologists help employees to interact with the other co-employees and put together into the same task to achieve the work a team. Look, in here, the benefit is that psychology is making good relationship between co-workers and the other teammates, so that they jointly work together and bring and work together like a team. Industrial psychologists can evaluate the situation. Unlike a mediator, psychology was not focused on exclusive on the issues, but they will include psychological concerns such as needs for respect, dignity, empowerment, and effectiveness. Industrial psychology is something which will help companies to make smooth and successful business by operating each and every core of the companies. Industrial psychologists help companies to understand and provide all the required support to their employees and helps employees to open their mind and work together, work toward their company and growth and profit and succeed it. In short, if you can say that, industrial psychologists is they all who evaluate the situation, who bring the bring the solution for that, and they believe the industrial psychologists the benefits that they make sure aware the employer that you have to give your employees respect, you have to give the employer dignity, you have to empower your employees so that they work with effectiveness. Industrial psychologists they trying to make the policies according to the needs and wants of employees so that they can operate smoothly inside the organization. Industrial psychology is guiding, providing benefit to the leader that opening their mind, they are trying to open their eyes that we have to support your employees. Support your employees. Industrial psychology is help of companies to understand, provide all the required. They are understanding that you provide all the required support to their employees, helping your employees to open their mind, work toward their companies and growth and profit. So if you are providing all the facilities, you are letting your employees to open their mentality, mind to work for their company, to work for the success of their company, to grow and to earn much more profit. That's what is the benefit of the industrial psychology. End of the chapter. End of the chapter 1. As we discussed in industrial psychology, we said it is understanding the human behavior. It is giving prediction of human behavior. It is to control the human behavior. Now we study about the benefits. We study about why we need it. We study about this psychology, why it is important to be studied. In short, if I say that industrial psychology help out any leader of organization that how to achieve your organization objective by giving value, respect, dignity to your main power. This is your ultimate success. If you are giving respect, value and dignity to your main power, you would succeeded. Thank you for your watching. Stay tuned.